Rev up your engines.
After call nights, Scotty, what do you think of Chinese cars? Okay, as Rodney Dangerfield used to say, it fell apart like a Chinese motorcycle. Okay, now Chinese make better cars than they used to. There is a whole range of cars. They don't sell them here in the United States. One of them is even called Great Wall. I mean, they make all kinds of cars. But they don't sell them in the United States yet. Eventually, they probably will. And they are making them better than they used to because they get more manufacturing, new factories and stuff. So it wouldn't surprise me if they were selling Chinese cars here in the near future. Of course, if Donald Trump has anything to do with it, he won't let them import them. So who knows? But I know people in China, and they drive some of these Chinese cars, and they say they work perfectly fine. But they don't sell them here in Texas yet.
So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell.